So we were fortunate to work with Eaton on a lot of our electrical components for the home. They offer really a complete product line, which includes our load centers, our service, our panels, our breakers, and then the Wi-Fi controlled switches and dimmers.
With Eaton, they're another great product that we love teaming up with every single year in the New American Home. We use them in many different places, so you'll see them in all of the outlets that are throughout the home, and we did use some of their specialty outlets. Basically what they are is they're your typical outlet, but they have a USB feature, and they also have the new plug for the newer chargers that are coming out. So we made it important to make sure that it was something that was both usable for now and also for the foreseeable future.
Some of the fun accessories that Eaton offers include nightlight outlets. We were able to place those in the hallways. So another big advantage of a lighting control system is energy savings. Being able to push one button, turning all your lights on, or maybe changing the dimming amount. So the Eaton system really allows you to maximize your energy savings.